Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Amiazin Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this trendy off shoulder top. It's going to have net as a sleeve and it's a puff sleeve, very beautiful one and a long one. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, tell them to subscribe to my channel and also give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and watch and learn from it. And don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also watch my other videos that we have on my channel so that you can also learn how to cut them on your own. Please watch this video to the end.
This my material that I'm using to make this up shoulder top that I want to cut now, and this is the fabric. This is the sleeve one that we want to use. It's a v-net that we're using to make our sleeve, and this is the fabric is Accra fabric that we're using to make this top. So let's get started with the measurement now. So I will start with my measurement. It's up shoulder one that we are making. So I'm taking away from my tape roof from the up shoulder to get my length. My length that I'm using now is 18. So adding 1 inch on it to get our hem line. So that is the rolling side. I've rolled it, and that is the front. So I'm cutting it all together. That is what I mean. I'm cutting it the back and the front all together. So I'm marking the neck now. My neck that I'm marking there now is 3.5. So on the cleavage I'm marking 1.5 also. So to get it, I will round it because I'm cutting the back and the front all together. So that's what I'm doing there now. So it's a up shoulder that we are making on this fine Accra top. So that is the armhole that I'm marking. My armhole that I'm marking there now is 1.5. So I will roll it to get that armhole side. So that is the rolling side of the armhole. So now we'll start with the measurement of the body now. So that is the body measurement, that is the bust. My bust measurement that I'm marking is 38. So that is 38, adding my 1.5 inch on the sewing allowance. So that is the length that I'm marking for the half length. That is the half length. On that half length, that is where you get your measurement for your waist. So that is my waist measurement now. My half measurement there now, that is for the waist, is 30, adding 1 inch for the doubt and adding my 1.5 for the sewing allowance. Coming down to the down side, I'm just marking it also with that measurement that I use for the waist, that is 30, adding my 1 inch doubt and my 1.5 sewing allowance. So it's a top that we are making with this Accra. Please don't forget to share my video to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Watch my video to the end so that more people can watch it and get to learn from it. So I'm just pointing out for you how to connect it now. So connecting from the bust now is what I want to use my ruler to rule. So I'm connecting it from the bust to the waist, from the waist to the down side, that is the hem side. So that is it now. So I've connected out. So on that side that I want to connect, that is the down side, I'm covering it using 1 inch. That is what I'm doing there now. I don't want it to be straight down side. So I've connected it. So now I'm done with the measurement. It's for me to cut it out, and that's what I'm doing now. So can you see what I've done there now? To cut that downside, I've done that. I've cut it. So that is the neck, and the neck is round neck all through. That is the back and the front side is what I'm cutting round neck through. So that the armhole, so I've cut the armhole also. So remember, it's all cut together. That the front and the back is what I've done there with the cutting. So I've done with that. So we'll finish cutting the front and the back all together. So what next now? Just for me now to cut the sleeve. Remember, it's net, that is vein net that we are using to make the sleeve. So that is the material now. So I want to just show you what I will do now. So I want to open it together to cut it out now. That is the front and the back. So it's up shoulder cutting and it will be puff one. So what I will do now, just go to the machine to go and stitch it all together, and before you know it will be ready. So can you see how it is now? I've done with the two elastics, so I've fold it out and I've puff it. So please subscribe to my channel.
So our off shoulder top is ready, and it has vein, net has the sleeve, and there is a puff one. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. That's why we are making this video, so that you can learn how to cut and sew all our styles on your own. Please, thank you for always watching. I'll see you on my next video.